cut your carrots into paysan, you want to have them in small pieces. So cut them in half. Cut the thinnest part lengthwise into 4 pieces. Then put them together. Position your finger, claw position, and cut it into little triangles. Cut the other part lengthwise and into 3 pieces. Put everything together. Position your hand on the claw position and cut it. So as you can see, a paysan can be square or triangle for carrots. So repeat the operation with the remaining carrots.